Hello everyone, welcome. Me doing tutorial today. Want to show you reversed video tutorial, how to reverse video. You want to import, grab it, do it to move it to timeline, and here you press on your keyboard Control plus R, and here we have reverse speed. Click on reverse speed and click OK. You can add a time interpolation. Select optical flow. Okay. Now we have reverse clip. Me doing tutorial, I hope you found helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and if you don't remember, make sure here right down below you add Control plus R. This is this shortcut, okay? And you click on now on this so you can move it, okay? And you can also double click and change this. Okay, me doing bad now right now, but remember, it's not very bad. It's actually good. All right. Now click on here and you can double click on this. Click on or use V to grab. So this is very easy. Control plus R. You can right click as well and select speed duration and click here reverse clip with optical flow or frame blending. Now this is the tutorial for today. People ask me if the timeline video lagging. Make sure right click on the video and playback resolution set to 1:4 or 1:2 or 1:4. Alright, thank you for watching and take care.